Hi, I'm Matt Sotisman, a Senior Security Architect at Microsoft. I'm going to show you how to capture the hardware ID for Autopilot and automatically upload it to Intune without having to manually do it. I think you're going to love this. All right, I need to get a shout out to Michael Niehaus and Bruce Saw on Twitter for letting me know about this. I didn't know about this, to be honest with you, so I think this is pretty amazing. When you do the script, just add the -online switch to it, and it will automatically upload it to Intune or Microsoft Endpoint Manager. So let's go into a demo here, and I'll show you how this works. All right, so we're at my Windows 10 Pro machine here, sitting at out-of-box experience, and I am going to launch a command prompt. So let's do a Shift F10, and let's bring up PowerShell. And let's do a quick clear screen so we can see what we're working with. So let's set our execution policy so we can bypass, so we can run scripts. And then let's install the script. So get the Windows Autopilot Info script installed. And then once that's installed, we will run it. And we'll use the -online switch. And I think you're going to love this. All right, so now let's go ahead and run it. So we're going to do a git-windows, git-windows autopilot info -online. And there it goes. Give this a few moments to cook. Now, once this is finished running, I will show you behind me here is the devices screen and the Autopilot portal, and we should see that serial number show up. All right, that's a good sign. So let's go ahead and authenticate into the graph. Do the MFA thing here. And it looks like we're now connected. So now it's just a waiting game. So let's give this about 5 minutes or so. I'm going to pause the video so that way I don't have to waste your time. We'll come back to it when it's done. All right, so the script has finished, and back in my Autopilot devices pane here, the Endpoint Manager portal, check it out. There's the device that we just imported from that script. And so now it's ready to be added to my dynamic device security group. There it is. And if we go back to my Autopilot deployment profile, assign devices, there it is. Bada bing, bada boom, we are ready to rock and roll. All right, folks, hope you enjoyed this. Hope this helped to clear up some confusion for you. Please hit me up on LinkedIn, hit me up on Twitter. Ask me any questions you want about this. I'll try to get them answered, and I might even make another video for you. All right, take care.